Matchup, it's the LA Clippers versus the Phoenix Suns. Jump ball. We're underway. Someone missed an assignment. This guy's too open. And steals it with a three-point shootout shot. Pulls it in to keep it alive. All alone. And that's way out of his league. Strips the ball. Majerle for three. And he starts to find his stroke. Picked his pocket. Can he do it? Misses from downtown. Get that out of here! Allen Iverson with the defensive rebound. Thunder Dan from outside. He is burning up the touchscreen. He got his pocket picked. Passes it. Puts up the pass. With the jam.